The fact that we are based in South Bend is a strong point for us because we are centrally located. When we first started, we traveled to great distances to get projects built, traveling to the East Coast and the West Coast. But the last few years, we've seen things change quite a bit in the Midwest, in our own backyard, and we're able to do a lot of work closer to home. And I think those Midwestern values really tie in well with our company core values, which are passion, engage, ambition, creativity, and esprit de corps. The acronym we use for that is PEACE. The reason we do what we do at Innovatus Solar is to build a brilliant tomorrow.
Tom was really passionate about renewable energy and fuel cells, hydrogen, solar, wind, geothermal. And part of my job when I first started working here is I was the director of research, and so I would research all these different technologies.
One day, Nathan found an article in the South Bend Tribune about a Notre Dame professor who had just written a biography on Stan Ovshinsky, a renewable energy pioneer. Nathan took this article to my dad, and my dad said, "Nathan, go find this guy. We have got to get together and find out what he's up to."
You know, my father and Tom were soulmates in that they were naturalists. They loved nature, they loved hunting, fishing, things like that. And both of them realized that the world was changing and something needed to be done about it. But what I did was to ask him if he wanted to get involved with Stan's work in solar and/or fuel cells. And eventually we did become the distributor of their solar cells. And that then became the start of Innovatus Solar. What we did was to expand so that we became a complete solar development company. We didn't focus solely on Stan's company.
You know, we were a small company reaching out to big Fortune 500 companies and trying to introduce the concept of renewable energy to them because Tom Kaniszewski knew that it was going to be a big promotion of the solution. Soon after that, TJ came on board, and Tom had a vision to use renewable energy, and TJ helped push that vision on.
After my dad passed away, there was a lot of uncertainty as to the future of the company. And as Innovatus was something that we just cared deeply about, we had to set up a special meeting. It was my sister Ashley, my grandfather Leonard, George Howard, and I, along with some of our business advisors.
TJ came to me and he said, "I can make this company work."
I knew that this was my calling and that I could step into the role that my father had, which was the coach's role. I knew why we started the company. I believed that we need a brilliant future and that the team here at Innovatus could help the world in that effort. So it was really a turning point for me, not just professionally, but personally. It's a time I'll never forget.
TJ really stepped up and he became the leader, and he had great momentum and he had incredible passion that came from our dad. He took that time to create a different culture, a better culture, and he's been growing that culture, and I think it's been really wonderful for Innovatus.